telling you, man, that's not easy. Right, it is. You ready? People can putt, people can drive, not everybody can play.
It's amazing. Anybody can play fast. Not afraid to play slow or that mid-tempo groove.
You guys ready?
My grandfather was a miner when World War I broke out. Thought he was helping his country, he never had a doubt. He went to Europe and he swallowed some mustard gas. When he came back, Uncle Sam kept his bonus, gave him the yes. My boys won't be soldiers, they won't go to a foreign land. And I don't care what the president said, I'll do anything I can. My boys won't be soldiers, they won't die for cheaper gas. When Uncle Sam comes a-calling, we'll tell him we gave in the past. My Uncle John was a shortstop, he could run like DiMaggio. When Hitler was bombing London, he knew he'd have to go. On D-Day he rode in a glider, suicide mission at best. He wasn't even 20 years old when they laid him down to rest. Soldiers, they won't die in a foreign land. I don't care what the president said, I'll do anything I can. My boys won't be soldiers, they won't die for cheaper gas. When Uncle Sam comes a-calling, we'll tell him we gave in the past. 67 was a summer of love, but you wouldn't know it by me. I headed out to South Vietnam right after AIT. I saw things no boy should see when we came under attack. Back with a belly full of Agent Orange and a monkey on my back. My boys won't be soldiers, they won't die in a foreign land.